Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make a rock song in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is a home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you can find the audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with making a rock song. Basically, guys, this is all that we need right here, all the instruments that we have. But guys, one of the options you can use as well is go right here into the live loop section in the upper corner where you can find extra tracks, where you can find all the loops that have been pre-made by Apple that you can use. And as you can see, one of them is called Rock. So what you want to do is open up Rock, guys, and now you can go ahead and get a pre-made loop by Apple that you can get started with editing, adding your own vocals, adding instruments that you want to use, changing the beat, and so on. All of that you can try right here. As you can see, once you play it, you can see that you can get started recording over it. You can see how it sounds by clicking on it and so on and seeing all the instruments. This is if you want to have a pre-made rock beat. If not, just go to tracks right here and get started making your own beats. So what we're going to do obviously first is find the guitar, as that is the base of our rock song. So as you can see, we have the guitar right here. But if you want to use an electric guitar for your rock song, what you're going to do is click on the more sounds option right here. And here you can select the hard rock song. And now as you can see, it's going to open up this recording menu where we can get started recording it by tapping the beat. As you can see, we can go ahead and play the strings we want to use and record them right here to start adding them to our songs. You can play all the songs that you need. After that, you can find them right here in the upper left corner by clicking the mixing mode and edit menu, where you can get started with mixing all of your tracks and all of your instruments to get your desired rock song. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.